educated to our country. He's the only man who asked the oligarchs to pay for their dues. In days, they were able to settle billions, if not trillions of pesos. If it weren't for him, we will not be proud of our Filipino identity. But you did not put that into account. You were complicit of putting the Filipinos down because you want the Filipinos to remain dumb. You want to manipulate the Filipinos to be just okay, partying to the mechanisms of being poor and poor until we die poor. Well, surprise, surprise, we will never be poor anymore because we are rich in our hearts and in our mind, that we know in our hearts that we only have principles. And the principles, if you have that, if you hold on to it, you are richer than anybody who possesses all the material things in this world. Because that's what matter, our humanity. Ana rana. Ana rana mga kababayan. Ay lang ni, ay ginoo ko. Ana, yun na. That's the problem. That's the problem with institutions such as the ICC. Did you bother to go the documents that were submitted as supposed evidences to the crimes held against, to the charges held against the former president? You rely on a book made by whoever, perhaps somebody with too much brain or with little brain, or somebody who is angry to the former president. You relied to NGO reports who are obviously against the former president. You rely to media accounts who obviously is also critics to the former president. That's the point. That's the problem, mga kababayan. Hello, ate. That's the problem. That's the biggest problem. That nobody is talking. Nobody is talking because conveniently that destroys the very the supposed credibility of these individuals who are singing a false note that the former president committed these crimes. Yan yung punto. That's the problem. You were complicit of subjugating a man, an 80-year-old man, to unimaginable process, undermining a due process that should be accorded to him. His human rights is never taken into consideration, even when he's frail, even when he's medically not competent enough to deal with the process. You cannot even grant him provisionally freedom when a country already expressed willingness to host him. You disregarded all of that because you think that under Article 58 of the Rome Statute, 58B of the Rome Statute, that that he's still a flight risk, that he is still able to influence the proceeding, or he is still able to commit further crimes. How can somebody in that age can do such a thing? Diba? That's the problem. Ano? Ano ginagawa mo? Yan yung punto dyan, mga kababayan. Nobody is talking about that because conveniently, it's convenient for them na manahimik na lang tayong lahat. No, I will never be silent in the face of impunity. I will never be silent in the face of subjugating a man who I adore and love so much, because he embodies the principle that I want all of the politicians and public servants to have: the love for the country and for the marginalized, understanding what life is for an ordinary Filipino. That's what this person is. That's what this person is, mga kababayan. That's what he did to me and to millions of Filipinos who opened my eyes to the realities of our country. Totoo yan. Totoo yan actually. Yan, that's the problem. Totoo yan. Can you imagine? Even when medical practitioners, experts of their field, already made mention that indeed he is experiencing deteriorating, I don't want to use the word mental, his his cognitive skills are already impaired because of the things that he has been subjugated. And also, the factor of age, that he's turning 81 already on March, di ba? And yet, they did not even take that into account. That's the problem. Yes, Delmar Garcia, I'm afraid that they're going to confirm the charges hurled against him. I'm very afraid that they will. Oo. That's why the Tay Kami Naman campaign is so important and also relevant and timely. Why? We need to ask the Supreme Court to render its decision with respect to the pending habeas corpus petitions before the court. Why is the Supreme Court not rendering its decision in that regard? Why? Why don't you exercise your duty as magistrates, as an independent institution of our country, to render a decision of a Filipino citizen, much more, a former head of state? Why? Why can't you not do that to the man who only did nothing but to serve the Philippines and the Filipino people and to give the right governance that we badly need? Why? Ay, nako. Picture na tayo. Madami cake, dali na madami. Dali ka. Ate.
Mag-live ako.
Oh, pag-live ate. Ako din. Gang, dali ka. Mag-picture sa tayo. Oh, ako. Gang, dali ka. Ma'am, picture muna kayo, ma'am.
Picture.
Doon, ma'am.
Kailangan ng group picture para kay BP. Kinukumpile niya yan eh. Diba no, Alvin?
Oo, pero pa tayo. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, thank you, ma'am, ha, sa inyo, ha, ma'am. Dagang salamat sa inyong pag-ani, ma'am. It's my honor, ma'am. It's my honor, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, ha. Thank you, ma'am. Laban lang, ma'am. This is Spain, ma'am, ha. Laban, ma'am. Gracias, ma'am. Picture to, ma'am. Dito to sa ma'am. Dito to, ma'am. Oh, ma'am, babe.
Ay, Alvin, salamat.
Salamat ka, Alvin. Thank you.
Ma'am, salamat po, ha. Mabuhay mo, ma'am. Dagang kayo pag-ani, ma'am.
Buhay tayo.
It's my honor. Thank you,
Filipino
ma'am.
say.
Thank you, tayo. Laban. Tugnaw na kayo.
No, kayo.
Tugnaw na kayong kamot, ma'am. Laban pa rin. Tay, laban. Ayan. So, okay na? Okay na ba yung chika natin? Don't. Ano? Ha?
Not well si...
Ate May, no? O, ano na. Kung nakikinig ata ang ano ba, ay sisigang. Kanina, no? Kasi bakit naglalanog yung boses ko doon? Naglanog yun siya. So, nagi-something. Hindi gang, hindi yan naghangin.
Kilala natin. Kasi may
Ha?
mga power man tayo ba?
Kilala ka na.
Oh. Basta kung ikulong nila ako, meron dapat reason na ikulong ko nila. Sabi ko sa kanya, ikulong ko ninyo, pulihan ko si PRRD, palabasin nyo yan, balag ako makulong, walang problema. Ang ganda pa doon, libre pa yung pagkain. Magbasa pa ako ng libro, kung anong problema. Kadaming libro doon, paglabas ko, doctorate na ako.
Padalhan na lang kita ng ano.
Okay lang, ano yan, basta ang important. Yan yung tao, wala, magyabang ko yung anak. So, ang ibig sabihin, para sa bayan, para sa, para sa bayan. Oh. Anak, as PRRD, it would be my honor to die for my country. O, ano problema? Ano man yan?
Sige na, pangapik ka na. Kitong daw na. Saman.
Ganyan man yan.
Bitag-gitter.
Dili ko ano. Yan yun, guys. Ang katotohanan dyan. Dito ko sa kabila, bigla si PRRD.
O dito ka, please. Dito ka, Vicky.
Dali ako. Yan.
Hindi ko mamaat.
Anak na, dira, mga kababayan. Anak na.
Sige, go.
Hala, thank you kay Cheryl Gamolo. Kay ginoo ko ni mo Cheryl. Energetic kay ko karon Cheryl, kay kabalo na ka. Nagsan. Joke ragang.
Energetic. Nanatay pangapi.
Magbutangan ako internet gamay akong kawan gang kay gabi ka. Wala na siya. Wala na siya tugnaw. Abi ninyo.
Meron na
Ay,
pala
uy,
tayo.
kulbaan ako. Yaw. No, kulbaan ako ate.
Nakatakot na ba ako ngayon?
Ay, hindi naman kasi hindi ko na-expect marami nang magsalita. Yes, i-share ninyo ang live para mapunta to doon sa mga bangag. Sa mga kayo, mga political skunk kayo. Mag-inom muna ako.
Kang talaga yan.
Mga political skunk kayo.
Dito na sila kasi
Mga ano kayo. Wala kayo mga respeto. Wala kayo mga, nako.
disiplina, wala mga good manners and right conduct.
Oo, wala kayo mga good manners at mga rice cooker. Oh. Grabe kayo ha.
Mga alligator. Krokodili. Yan ang ating Alvin, fighter. Fighter to the max.
Ano pala?
Oh, may music pa.
Ay, sabi mo, mangayo ka dyan.
Oh.
Sugar.
Sugar tea? Asa?
Dili, mangayo kong tasa kay ako to.
Tasa? Nadia tea.
Kay Marad, di na madala ang akong kamot. Ayun pala sugar, oh.
Ay, sugar.
Ano ito, sugar cane.
Ayun pala. Daghang.
Ako na daw magdala nito. Oh my God, that's lekker.
Pakain ako, be.
Hindi mo, ano?
Makain na ako na.
Kain muna ako ng sandwich guys para pang tubil sa aking bunganga. Okay? Pasensya na. Tuna to.
Ay, 95.
Bakit? Allergic ka?
Chicken.
Yummy.
Hello, Lucky Charm. Oo.
Nawala, nailan, nawala.
Asa naman mo? Wala naman mo nibalik kung Duterte Street.
Ang ako ang case guys is sustainable na siya na material ang gamit anim.
Sige, gusto ko street.
Ay, magpalit na ako green na.
Kani casing.
Oy,
Oh.
nana.
Dito sa Media Mart.
Woo! My life is green now, starting today.
Sana makapunta sa Japan, Alvin Torres pag na... Ay, ma'am, pag-ipunan ko yan, ma'am. Bisag di kaya. Mga to nag-Japan. Sabi nila mag-Japan daw. Pag mag-rally. Pag-ipunan. Pag-ipunan natin yan lahat. Lahat para sa bayan. Lalo na ngayon. Nagbigay na ng...
Di ba ang mga ano?
nag-declare na si VP Inday.
Inspire.
Oo. Nag-declare na si VP Inday na mag-ano siya. Yes! Duterte!
My color begins
Explainan ako na sila bitin.
today.
Naglagi na sa tiksugod ng lasa.
Bin, tagay sa kukuan, Bin. Asa na itong akong tasa?
Ha? Tara di ay.
Kuan na sa kukuan.
Ininet.
Ay, katid na man. Maragi, meron na sa pulo kung dili mo ni-impress niya.
Ay.
You are our hope.
Wala na, hurot na na. Naman sa ko dala si... Ah!
Sorry.
Wala, lagi gidrop nila yung kukuan ako.
Sanay na sa trabaho.
Dili, wala dito rin. Gidrop na ba?
Are you here from university? Yeah? Are you study here? Law? No. I see. Yeah, we are Filipinos. We are here because of this man, our former president, actually.
We're art students.
Okay. No. Yeah, but it doesn't matter even if you're an art student. If you probably, it's not really discussed heavily in university. I'm also a student here in Wageningen, but I come here because I feel it's my bid as a Filipino to defend a man who also defended us when we badly needed it. Needed it. He launched the war on drugs basically because our society is already plagued with criminalities and drug problems, which is the complete opposite of what it is in the Netherlands, how they characterize it. But there, children are being raped, lives were being taken because of the people who are influenced under drugs or whatnot. It's really brutal. He is brought to the custody of ICC by the current administration because he is a big political figure in the Philippines. He actually brought the much needed change that the Filipinos badly wanted for our country, and that He has already been incarcerated for almost a year now. And, the process before the International Criminal Court is really slow. And that the defense team is all... No, not yet. We are still in the pre-trial phase. Exactly, yeah, for almost a year already. Because of the technicalities of the judicial proceedings before the court, and that the defense team is doing everything that they could to ensure that he's going to be freed and be brought back to the Philippines, the fact remains that he is not yet charged, or there are no confirmed charges hurled against him, and that the due process and his human rights are being subjected into a mere discretion of the court in that regard, and that we Filipinos who actually come from different places come here to show our culture. Yeah, this is part of our culture as well. Yeah, it's or coffee or whatnot. Yeah, that is chicken sandwich, by the way. Yeah, almost every day. Yeah, almost every day. Yeah, and actually, the local government of The Hague gave us this space. We call it the Duterte Street exclusively because we refer to it as safe haven of people who support the former president, for us to voice out. Hopefully, that the people who live in close proximity to the area sees that there are certain groups or certain countries who show their protest differently. That doesn't necessarily mean that it is completely different, that it's not effective. But through the test of time, we remain resilient to the cause that we actually believe in. So that's why on the 23rd to the 27th of February is the confirmation of charges hearing, which will be in the International Criminal Court. We will be there as well. We are hoping that the defense team will do their job to defend the former president. If you want to know more about it, you can actually scan the QR code. And that QR code will give you all of the information. Also there, the small one. Yeah. Yeah, he's turning 81 and we're celebrating his birthday here as well. Yeah, that will be on March 81. March 28th, sorry. Hello. You're welcome. Enjoy the chicken sandwich.